Today we're gonna make binangkal. Filipinos love binangkal. If you like binangkal, follow this recipe. The ingredients we have 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So here it is, baking soda, and then 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Here's the salt. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of shortening or vegetable oil. Then we have 1/2 cup of warm milk. Make sure it's warm, not too hot, otherwise the yeast will not work and the flour will not rise. So of course you have 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, and then vegetable oil, and then need to prepare something for oil for frying. So the one here is the brown sugar, 1/2 cup, and we have the sesame seeds for coating, if you love sesame seeds, and 3 cups of flour. Okay, so we need to mix the ingredients. So you have to combine the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. There, we'll mix them together. Then mix them well. And put the shortening. Oops. And then the warm milk. Mix them well. And then if it is, and then sit this aside for 15-20 minutes. Give a chance so the yeast will work. So make sure that you will not make the milk very hot, otherwise the yeast will not work. Then pour the brown sugar. I use the brown sugar, so the binangkal, of course, is brown. I love the brown sugar. So mix them well. And if the flour is a little bit wet, I'll add a little bit more flour and check the consistency so you can roll the flour into bowls, not too thick and not too wet, and then roll or coat into the sesame seeds. Okay, set this aside for 15 to 20 minutes. And then add a little bit of vanilla. If you like vanilla. Other people don't like vanilla. So it's up to you. Okay, set that aside, cover, and then wait for like 15-20 minutes. And then make into bowls and then roll into the sesame seeds. Okay, here's the next step. After when the flour is already rise up, you make a bowl like this. It's a little bit sticky. It needs to be a little bit sticky so the sesame seeds will stick. So it's like this. Dip into the sesame seeds. Like this, and then fry it. When it's golden brown, it's cooked. Okay, preheat heat the oil at 350 degrees. Then drop the binangkal. Here we go. There. Okay, here's the first batch. So it's nice and golden brown. And then drop some more in the pan. We'll see if this is good. We'll find out. Okay, the binangkal or the moon rock is already brown. And then you have to maybe 2 more minutes. Make it nice and brown. See the sesame seeds, as you can see, it's already nice and brown.